In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your first application in CloudRaptor by deploying a WordPress site. To get started, go to your dashboard, then click on Applications from the left sidebar. Here, you'll see the Applications page. If you don't have any apps yet, you'll see the option to create your first application. Click on Add Application to begin. Now we're in the Application Setup screen. First, enter your application name. For this example, I'll use My WordPress Site. Next, choose the app type. For now, we'll select WordPress, since other options like Static Site, Node.js, and Laravel are coming soon. Then, select your server. I'll choose my existing server, Key Server. Under Setup mode, we'll keep it on Fresh Install to create a new WordPress site. Now choose your domain setup. For a quick start, I'll select the staging domain, which gives you a free CloudRaptor.net subdomain with no DNS configuration required. Then click Continue. Now we'll configure WordPress. Enter your admin email, username, and optionally your first and last name. Next, choose your preferred PHP version. I'll select PHP 8.3 for this example. SSL is handled automatically, so your site will be secured without any extra setup. You can also expand the advanced options if needed. Here, you can enable Redis object cache for faster performance, full page cache for instant page delivery, and multi-site network if you want to host multiple sites under one installation. Once everything is set, click Install. CloudRaptor will now begin deploying your application. You can monitor the real-time installation progress directly from the dashboard. Notice how quickly everything is set up. During installation, CloudRaptor automatically creates the Docker container with Nginx and PHP, sets up the MariaDB database, configures the server, installs WordPress, and applies security settings. Once the installation is complete, your application will be fully deployed and ready to use. Your database will be connected, your server will be configured, and your WordPress site will be accessible through your domain. You can now log in and start building your website. And that's how you create your first application in CloudRaptor. If you're still stuck, contact our dedicated support team for any of your queries, or reach out at support@cloudraptor.io.